It all began when I was 6 years old and Auntie Dalma made me an offer. A flight to Kuala Lumpur in exchange for a minimum of 4 grade in my primary school test exams. It was an opportunity of a lifetime. I put all my best efforts and, with a little help from above, I managed to achieve my quota. The first time I flew with AirAsia. After that day, I always looked at an airplane like it was the first time. My passion to fly grew even more when my dad told me his ambition. He also wanted to become a pilot, but sadly he was rejected due to medical reasons. This was my dream and also my dad's dream, and I always hoped I could fulfill his dream while fulfilling mine too. I was in Ankara to improve my Turkish speaking, and I visited the university with my Turkish wife Elisa. I saw some guys wearing CAREER ATPL shirt in a classroom. They explained that the ATPL Theory part was just over and they are now preparing for the interview course. They looked pretty excited and I also liked the atmosphere. But I think at that moment I didn't realize the importance of the interview preparation. After my PPL, it took me 6 months to complete the full ATPL program. So I finished my remaining trainings like CPL and multi-engine IR. Then I activated my career club membership and I received my first job opportunities in a few days. That was probably the hardest challenge of my life. I could literally hear my heart beating. 5 or 6 captains sitting in front of me and continuously asking hard questions. Wow! I can still feel the pressure in my stomach. But I made it. I still can't believe it. I walked out the door, I looked above, and I felt something that I never ever felt before. This is my story, my dream, my inspiration. And what will be your story?